Let me see your hands this way, where it's. Where it's. Hope that I see you later that day. Hey, yo. This is the DJ Lego. Okay, make I tell you one thing. EFCC, they never so they don't want to make Yahoo boys the chop. Only body computer, but Naija boys then they use that the hammer. SAS then they power, they don't want to make we buy. Finest DJ, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Make some noise for DJ So So. You belong with yourself to make some noise! Hey! Oh no! You just want it! Hey! Oh no! Party people! Oh shit! Make some noise! Make some noise!
Respect to my big boss, man. When you're big, man. God bless you. Let me show you. You are my baby. I hear you. All I take is a step, boy. I take myself. See what? As I dey grind, I dey hustle. Oh, yeah, man, that day. I said, make you run out for me. If you don't make money, wait till you get. You say what to you? Don't you want to make money? Are you not motivated? Okay. Rusty, I want to get equality, na. Pray for grace, my G. I say pray for grace. You are my baby, I want that this money. So, I want to take this extra breath, take that step, and don't walk for me. As I reflect, I want to bless you with this money. So, when I run that day, I say make you run down for me. If you don't make money, wait till you get. You say, wait till you get. If you don't like it, wait till you get. Wait till you get. If you don't get control, wait till you get. Wait till you get. If you don't make money, wait till you get. I said, wait till you get. Now you don't see me or you don't talk, make me manifesto. So, I tell you things that I guess who wants to manifesto. God bless you. What's up, my people? So what? Make some noise for DJ Big one time. Hey, 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 hey. Oh yeah, put it back in here, back in here, back in here, back in here. Are you ready now? Oh yeah. Okay, let's go now. Girl, I wonder if you go do it. Girl, I wonder if you go stay if I go. Hey, girl, I wonder if you love you. Oh yeah, oh baby, girl, I love you. Listen, when I say, oh, when I feel do something, I shall see you come back.